In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add payment methods on Shopify. Learning to add payment methods to your Shopify site can greatly enhance the customer's shopping experience by providing them with a range of payment options. Let's start with the basics by activating Shopify's inbuilt payment option, Shopify Payments. Kick things off by navigating to the Settings menu on your Shopify dashboard. From there, select the Payments option. Once in the Payments area, you'll see a section called Shopify Payments. If you've not completed the setup for this payment method, you'll notice a button labeled Complete Account Setup. Go ahead and click that button. Upon clicking, you'll encounter a series of prompts. These prompts ask for your business and personal information. It's crucial to provide accurate and consistent information here because it's used to verify and activate your Shopify Payments account. By completing this process, you have successfully activated Shopify Payments. Now, let's consider adding a third-party provider to your payment options as well. This allows your customers more flexibility, especially if they prefer using services like PayPal or Stripe. The process is very similar to what we have done previously. Navigate to Settings, then select Payments. Look for the Additional Payment Methods or the Third-Party Payment Providers section, depending on your current Shopify layout. See the button labeled Add a Provider? Click on that. A search option will appear. Type in the name of the provider you wish to add, such as PayPal, and then click on either Add Provider or Activate. At this point, you may need to enter the credentials for your third-party provider account, so be sure to have these handy. Finally, click on Activate and then Save. And voila, your third-party payment provider is all set to go. Finally, let's take a look at how to create a manual payment method. This can be ideal for businesses that sometimes take offline payments like bank deposits or cash on delivery. Again, begin by going to Settings, then click on Payments. This is where we find the Manual Payment Methods section. There, you'll spot the Create Custom Payment Method option. Click on it, and a new menu will appear. In the provided space, enter a name for your manual payment option such as Bank Deposit or Cash on Delivery. You also have the option to include any additional details about this payment method that you want customers to see at checkout. Once everything is in order and looking perfect, don't forget to hit Save. By mastering these features, you can offer your customers a smooth and flexible checkout process, leading to more successful transactions and happy shoppers. That concludes this tutorial on how to add payment methods on Shopify.